We all laughed at those lines for almost 10 seasons. But do you know, behind every single punchline and those sarcasm, there was a man truly terrified of being seen. सो मुझे जो बात अब समझ में आई है एज अ साइकोलॉजिकल वे में अगर हम समझे, चैंडलर इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ कैरेक्टर. अगर हम इसे ब्रीफली अंडरस्टैंड करें, ये चैंडलर की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, नॉट जस्ट इन चैंडलर, बहुत से ऐसे मैन एंड वुमेन्स आउट देयर जिनके अंदर एग्जिस्ट करते हैं एंड माइट भी उन्हें एक्चुअली रियलाइजेशन भी ना हो. सो व्हाट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट राइट नाउ इज़ दैट कि हमें ये समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि हम जैसा भी फील कर रहे हैं, गुड बैड अगली वॉट एवर, हमें उसे एक्नॉलेज करना चाहिए. वी शुड एक्चुअली टेक अकाउंटेबिलिटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ वट एवर वी आर फीलिंग, बिकॉज वंस वी डोंट डू दैट तो दोज इमोशन डजंट डिसअपियर. हमें लगता है कि अगर हम इग्नोर करेंगे, इफ वी टेक इट इन ह्यूमर, इफ वी टेक इट लाइटली, वी विल बेसिकली जस्ट फन अराउंड इट, थिंग्स विल गेट ईजी एंड इट विल डिसअपियर. नो, इट्स गोइंग टू टर्न आउट इन टू योर इनसिक्योरिटीज. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपको कमिटमेंट इशूज कब हो गए आपके रिलेशनशिप्स में. आपको ये नहीं पता चलेगा कि आपकी इनसिक्योरिटीज कैसे बढ़ रही है, आपका रिलेशनशिप विथ योर सेल्फ एंड विथ पीपल अराउंड यू कैसे इवॉल्व हो रहा है इन अ नेगेटिव वे. And small things can also impact you in the ways you would not even realize it. So it's very very important for us to understand that अपने emotions, अपनी feelings को we should take it either it be positive or negative. हमें बहुत ज़्यादा patience के साथ उसे understand करना important है. जहाँ ज़रूरत है एक्सप्रेस करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड टर्निंग एवरी सीरियस सिचुएशन इनटू ह्यूमर एंड लेटिंग इट गो एंड एक्सपेक्टिंग इट विल डिसअपियर इज द वर्स्ट थिंग विच चैंडलर डिड, एंड वी शुड ऑल्सो लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम इट एंड अवॉइड डूइंग दैट द वेरी सेम and that's exactly this video is about. We're gonna deep dive into what helped Chandler and what exactly that character helps us to realize, what mistakes which we can avoid in our lives and what we can learn from him.
I'm hopeless and awkward and desperate for love.
Isn't it we all remembered and related when Chandler said, I'm hopeless and awkward and desperate for love? So we all understand by the statement which is given by Chandler is that he was definitely wanting love in his life. He was desperate, he was awkward, at the same time hopeless that he will end up being alone. But isn't it still, when opportunities comes into his door, he tries to find every possible superficial reasons to reject the girl? And you know why that was happening? Because he was scared of rejection. He was scared of getting hurt. He thought that before somebody can hurt him, he would hurt them with all the nonsense things and he will push them away. And that comes from the phobia and the issues with commitment, and that was because he never actually encountered and understood what his unresolved emotions were like. His family was broken. He comes from a biological family where he didn't find the love which he needed, and he never ever used those, use that as an opportunity to resolve it, to acknowledge it, to encounter it. And that's exactly the reason why he suffered so much later in his life. And that is exactly one of the message I want to give you all, is that please acknowledge your emotions, your feelings, and do not just let it go as it is. So as we saw that how much an emotions unresolved can affect both psychologically, emotionally, and it can affect your future relationships. So I really I want everybody out there to acknowledge their emotions, because ऐसा होता है कि जब आपके emotion resolve नहीं होते, आप suppress करते हो, especially men out there. If you suppress your emotions, turn it into the humor or sarcasm and make the world think it's not a big deal, it is going to end up like राई का पहाड़ बन जाएगा, and it will happen in your relationship where things you will feel like okay यार ये one of the root causes है कि इसके वजह से मेरे आगे के future relationships खराब हो रहे हैं. So definitely this was one of the most important lesson and message I wanted to give you all with this particular character understanding of Chandler. And if you like my video and if you want more such videos and contents from me, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, that is The Bold Introvert. Thank you.